Hello, adventurers! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek Adventures.
What are we doing, Danny?
We are at Tulsa Tough for the very first time. It's a 3-day event that starts on Friday. So today is Friday. It's the first day, and each day they go to a new location in Tulsa.
This is our first time down here ever doing this, and now we know why everybody's always talking about Tulsa Tough.
It's awesome.
This is why you've got to be down here. We've been down here, what, 10 minutes, and we're already like, this is so much fun.
Yeah.
They did give us cowbells, so we are just
ready.
Just jamming tonight. So let's go adventuring. We did get lucky, and we were sent some VIP passes to this event from some friends. So we're gonna take advantage of that here. They've got all these tables set up. They've got little mini cowbells on them for everybody to cheer on the racers as they go by. There is food, there is drinks.
Cowbells!
And this is gonna be a really fun time.
I'm so excited. I got some sushi.
I got the veggie roll. I got, oh, this is some kind of cauliflower. I can't remember what it was. I've read about it. The taco looks like it's gonna be tasty.
Last lap.
They're so fast.
Oh, now they're gonna go. Oh, I'm stuck.
So down there is the start-finish line. The Night 1 races were held in the streets of Tulsa's Blue Dome district. How fast do you think they're going?
I feel like they are at least going like 65 miles an hour.
And they literally just hop right back over this way. There are little pop-ups all over the place.
I know, it's like all the...
All kinds of areas. Here with food. Hey dear, how fast do you think they're going?
Well, I may have asked an expert that we were standing beside, and he said 25 to 35 miles an hour. Not 65 like my guess was. But when you're standing here watching them fly by, I'm like, wow, that kind of looks like the start of one of those roller coasters that I don't like, that like propels and shoots like a slingshot. My guess was way, way off.
The pace cars. Not to be confused with the race cars. Hey, there goes one.
There goes a pace car.
Yep, right there. If you're wondering why there's no sound on some of these clips, it's because all you could hear is yelling and cowbell. So I thought I'd spare you from that.
With 2 to go, they're breaking every speed limit on this course right now.
We just did a lap around the race course, checking it out all through the city streets. What'd you think?
This is definitely a walkable course. I enjoyed walking around and getting into bits of shade, because it is very hot down here. I wasn't prepared for it to feel this hot, but then we've had some storms, so it's like really humid too.
Oh yeah, it's a sweat fest, but
yeah,
so much fun.
But yeah, we're loving it.
This is the first ever para hand cycle race at Tulsa Tough. This is about to be crazy fast. This is the pro women that are getting ready to fly by us here.
They make their own wind. just headed over to the area where there's food trucks, and we got steak and bake mobile.
What is a steak and bake?
Well, it's a Philly cheesesteak, but I hate onions. Sorry for people who love onions. I just have never liked them. Will never like them. Don't even try. No peppers, no onions. So it's basically meat and cheese and mushrooms.
You feel the wind come by?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's awesome.
I like the sound.
These guys are flying. Oh my God.
They are committed to this. Robin
Jeez.
Carpenter on the front right there.
We ended up sitting out day 2 and watching the live stream on YouTube from home, but day 3 picked up at the notorious Crybaby Hill. What is this?
First stop of the day, we got Rio's gourmet pops, and they had a mystery flavor with pickle. So we're gonna try pickle pops.
Oh, this is awesome.
Sawyer loves pickles. He could eat an entire jar in like a few days.
Additional merchandise. You want to check it out? If you're a fan of having a good time, then I highly suggest you attend day 3. This Crybaby Hill Day is totally unlike the others. The next bunch of clips show a small glimpse of what Crybaby Hill is like. For the riders, it is an epic hill that they must climb with a crazy street party happening at the top. As riders ascend, the crowd goes wild, beers are handed out, cowbells ring like crazy, and there are people all over the place wearing questionable outfits. It's really an incredible atmosphere, and you can tell that the riders are feeding off of the energy as they're grabbing drinks as they go by, flinging beverages onto the crowd, sometimes on themselves. You can tell they are having so much fun.
Got all the cowbells on there.
Yeah, ultimate cowbell. Adventurers, we are headed back to the car after our time here. Tulsa Tough weekend. We're hot, we're sweaty, exhausting.
Yes, so this was the 19th annual Tulsa Tough American Criterion cycling race that has been held here in Tulsa, and we've learned a lot about cycling and this particular group that goes around. So I feel like we've been educated, and we can't wait to come back next year and check it out again.
And not only will next year be the 20th year of Tulsa Tough, it will also be the 100-year anniversary of Route 66. So I'm sure there are going to be some really epic festivities in line for that.
Definitely, I can see that happening for sure. But guys, we're gonna wrap this up. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see more of our adventures, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can see a new video every single Friday. And be sure to head over to our social media platforms and follow us there too.
We'll see you on our next adventure.